And we're back with slightly less hair than we left with. What? I don't know. Before I start with anything, I just want to say thank you to all of the essential workers, to everyone that's having to go to work right now and putting your lives at risk for the benefit of your family and other people as well who you don't even know. Just thank you. I feel like you don't hear that as much as you should, and I'm sorry, but thank you. I decided somewhere in the week-ish that I was feeling absolutely awful that I would just cut my hair, which actually did make me feel a little bit better because I was getting sick of the weird layers. So now I have none, and I'm happy with that. During this whole quarantine situation, I've been playing an obscene amount of Animal Crossing, and I'm not sorry because I'm having a great time. But I have been playing it a lot. I've seen in a couple of the video comments, some of you guys were like, are you gonna do a playthrough or like anything important? Kind of. I don't really know what I'm doing as far as like gameplay videos. I was just gonna show you guys my house and my villagers and do like little doodles of them because I thought that'd be kind of fun. And then maybe at some point do like some more Animal Crossing art stuff. I don't know. I was thinking about doing like a paper cutting of some of the characters, so maybe that. So let me know in the comments if you guys have any like preferences as far as other Animal Crossing videos, and I'll try and figure out some art thing that I can do while also doing that. Before I ramble any more than I already have, let's get into the Animal Crossing stuff. This is the outside of my house, and some of my hybrid flowers and some of my not hybrid flowers because I just thought they would look good all together. So there's that. And let's go inside and see what's going on in there. This is the main room, which I guess technically is the living room. Yeah, not a lot going on in here. Just mostly plants, a TV, a record player, and, you know, the odd framed KK album. I really like this wallpaper. I honestly have no idea where it came from though, but I like it. And then this room, this one I'm actually pretty happy with because I had been looking for the ironwood dresser recipe for so long and I just happened to find it today. I did customize it, so it's not the standard color. I like it. The only problem I really have with the kitchen stuff is that there's really not a lot of counter space to put appliances. So I have a lot of appliances and like kitchen type things that I like, but there's no way to put all of it in the room. So that kind of sucks. Next is the closet room. It's just a decent amount of the clothes and stuff that I have bought. And then I, for some reason, decided to collect all of the colors of all the sneakers. I guess I thought it would look good on display, and I guess it kind of does. I don't know. I really like that rug though. But yeah, that's all of my, not all of my clothes. I've been buying entirely too much, but it's fine. And then this is the super boring bathroom that really doesn't have a whole lot going on. I do really like the bathtub. I think that's really cool, but aside from that, it's kind of just eh. I really don't like the sink. I might try and put the ironwood sink in here and see if that works because I just don't like that it's so small, but you know, it's fine. For now, it's fine. This is my bedroom, which it's not done. And then I have my little skeleton. His arms go up. I don't know. And then the last room is my craft room, which kind of just looks like the basement of an office, but you know, it's fine. It's okay. I have some supplies over here, and then my workbench, and then my sewing machine and everything. But that's pretty much it. So that's, for the most part, everything in my house. So let's get on to the villagers that I have. So the very first villager that I ever got was Scoot. And I love Scoot so much. He is the jock personality type, which is funny because he's so tiny. He gets along with everybody. He's just doing his thing. The only thing that I kind of am annoyed about is myself, but I gave him this sleeping mask as a present, and this was before I realized if they really like you, they'll just wear whatever you give them, and he wears it all the time when he leaves his house, and I'm just concerned that he can't see. So I'm annoyed that I gave him that. But he seems to like it, so I guess that's fine. The second villager that I got was Tammy. I personally do not mind Tammy, but the other villagers are not particularly fond of her because she is kind of rude. She is the big sister type. She gets along well, I think, with the jock types, but not at all with the peppy types. But I like her, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm pretty sure Meringue was my third villager, and I was so excited to get her. She is so cool. Like, her design is so cute. I love her. And she's just really nice. I have 2 normal type villagers at the moment, and for some reason, the normal types seem to be really into food. I don't know why. Like, Meringue obviously very heavy into the whole baking thing. I really like her. She gets along with everybody and she waters my flowers, so she stays. I'm not getting rid of Meringue ever. I think one of the next ones was Pate, and I don't hate Pate's character design, except for the little toupee. That's pretty stupid looking, but like, all in all, it's a cute design. I don't hate Pate. I just think she's a bit of a drama queen. I think she might actually be a serial killer, but you know, I can't prove it, so. She does concern me when she walks around at night with her purse just staring at people's houses. I don't really know what that's about, but okay. The next one is Tom, who is technically a cranky villager, which is a little bit frustrating because I don't dislike him. Like, my interactions with him are fine, but he's super rude to Wood whenever he visits my island and like all of the other villagers. So I don't know what's going on. I also have no idea why he needs 3 race car beds. Next is Pom Pom. Pom Pom scares me. I'm not gonna lie. I don't trust Pom Pom one bit. I don't. But she's here, so I just had to wait until she says she wants to move away. I'll be like, okay, let me know. I'll help you pack because you scare me. She's too much. I don't know. She's very angry. Angry little person. The next one is one of my other absolute favorite villagers, Tybalt. Tybalt is adorable and he just doesn't bother anyone. He just minds his own business, drinking his little orange sodas. Lately, I've also been having a lot of fun giving him hats because for some reason with the animal villagers, the hats shrink down to be like comically small on their heads. I've probably given him like 6 or 7 hats at this point and he's fine with it and just alternates hats when he leaves his house. I love it so much. He also really likes doing the little Naruto run through the town square with his little buddies, and that's cute. I love it. Drago is one that I like him, but I don't know much about him. He kind of just keeps to himself and waters my plants. I've tried talking to him and it just doesn't really result in much. Also, his house is awful. I've tried giving him other furniture things and he just doesn't really seem to care. So yeah, I don't know. The next one is one of my newer villagers and I am so happy that I got her. She's so cute. Her name is Bee and she's a beagle and she really likes food, as you can tell by her house. Apparently she really wants a dog bed, so I'm gonna have to get her one of those. I think the second day I had her, I gave her a little chef hat and she's just been wearing it out of the house and I love it. And then the last one, who is my most recent and honestly becoming one of my absolute favorites, is Victoria, who initially when I saw her, I assumed was another jock type, but she's actually a peppy type. But somehow less annoying than the 2 ducks that I have. So I don't know what that's about, but you know, it's fine. She's just super cute. I love her character design. Her house is ridiculous, but I kind of love it because it's so silly. There we go. That's all of my villagers. I like how these came out actually. I think at some point I do want to try doing like some more detailed versions of these or just of these characters in general because I do really like them. But in the meantime, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing and I will see you in the next one with something.